hard-earned cash in your business needs to be protected. Cash lifts and counterfeit fraud are significant threats to retailers and hospitality providers. There is an easy way to protect your business against theft and counterfeit notes. The APG Note Acceptor is an essential tool for reliable bill validation and secure storage of high-value bills. It safely stores up to 300 bills away from the till in an under-counter-mounted device. The interactive LED status indicator shows validation or counterfeit alerts within 2 seconds. The information is visible to your back office in real time, enabling the store manager to know when to bring bills to the safe and knowing at any moment how much cash circulates in the store. As a standalone device integrated with your POS system or Smart Till Cash Management Suite, the cash in the Note Acceptor is automatically counted. Combining Smart Till Cash Management and the APG Note Acceptor prevents up to 90% of cash loss and saves up to 40% of valuable employee time. This automation enhances operational efficiency without compromising customer relations. For more information about the APG Note Acceptor and the Smart Till Cash Management Solution Suite, please visit www.apgsolutions.com. APG, your partner in secure and efficient cash management.